There are many reasons your car can get bad fuel mileage or poor range. The number one reason for bad fuel mileage is low tire pressure. Simply put, if the tire pressure is low, you have a greater surface area of the rubber touching the ground. When this happens, it creates heat. Anytime heat is created, you lose range, gasoline or electric power. So Winter here is filling this tire up to the manufacturer's recommended spec. That spec can be found in the door jamb on the B pillar. The number two reason your car can get bad gas mileage is if your tires are out of alignment. If the tires are fighting each other because of misalignment, this will create heat in the tire. The more heat through the tire creates higher fuel consumption or lower range in an electric car. If you've ever skied before and you point your skis straight, you go fast down the hill with very little drag. If you point them in, that means that you're putting the brakes on and you're slowing down. Well, the same thing is true with tires. If the tires are pointed in just a little bit, it'll slow the car down, which causes more heat, which causes more fuel being used or more electric energy being used. The number three reason for bad fuel mileage is a dirty air filter. A dirty air filter will use more fuel because the engine will have to work harder to draw air inside. This is the air filter in this truck, and it's a little bit dirty right here, but it's not too bad. So this filter we're just going to reinstall back in the truck. If it gets any dirtier than this, it should definitely be replaced. So some of these things you can do yourself, some of them you can't. If you can't, you can bring it in for 19 bucks. We'll correct your tire pressure. We'll put it on the alignment machine and give you an alignment readout to see if you need an alignment or not. We'll also remove your air filter and see if it's dirty or not. Come on down, 19 bucks, and get good gas mileage.